Well, hello everybody, and thank you for joining us today for our printer side chat that we're having. I'm thrilled to be here with two really leaders of the industry from 3M and Mimaki Engineering, for especially leaders in the signage and graphics industry. Our topic today is actually to introduce the 3M MCS warranty in conjunction with the Mimaki JV and JV330 printers and the Mimaki SS21 and BS4 ink set. And what that significance is to the signage and graphics industry. But specifically, we're going to focus on how this came about, why now, and the benefits that this brings to the signage and graphics industry. So again, I'm excited to sit down with both of you gentlemen and introduce you. So I'd like to introduce Mr. Ryan Miller, Global Vice President for Graphics and Personal Auto at 3M. Thank you, Ryan, for being here. And Mr. Kazuaki Ikeda, President and CEO of Mimaki Engineering. Thank you, sir, for being here. So again, thanks for being here with us. And could you just start off by giving a brief introduction of yourselves and a little bit about what your focus is or the company's focus is for the signage and graphics industry?
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Ken. Appreciate it. And I'm really excited to be here today. It's a great opportunity for 3M and Mimaki to really expand our partnership to better serve our digital print graphic manufacturers and their end user customers. So thanks for the opportunity to be here, and we look forward to really expanding that partnership together. I have the privilege to lead our graphics and personal auto business globally for 3M company. And what we do with our concept graphic films is really provide solutions that bring our customers' brands to life. And we also have our films for our personal auto business that provide films that help protect them and make and personalize cards for individual consumers, right?
Right.
So that's our business. We're really focused into really two big segments, which is kind of transportation and retail. And when we kind of split out the transportation, it's really around the commercial fleet business, the rail business, and the marine industry. And then we cut across the retail space. So that's in big brands, oil and gas markets, to really help those customers bring those brands to life in the marketplace.
Good deal. Well, thank you, Ryan, for that. Mr. Ikeda.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ryan-san, today. So my name is Kazuaki Ikeda, President of the Mimaki. So, and thank you very much always your support to the Mimaki and the collaboration of the Mimaki and the 3M. And then we Mimaki committed to the digitalization of the sign graphics industry. Thank you very much today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So let's just jump into it. My question number one really is just an open question for both of you, is tell me a little bit about the importance that this approval for 3M and Mimaki have together to the industry.
Yeah, so from our view, right, this is an opportunity where our graphic manufacturers and partners are looking for performance, consistency, quality, and durability, right, in their overall end user product. And that relationship we have with Mimaki being a global innovator, providing high quality, consistent products to the market really marries up well for us to bring our films and our printers and the inks together to provide that total solution for those customers. So they get that consistency, that quality, that durability, and that added warranty, right? Which gives the end user customers that confidence in our overall solution to help with their performance and longevity of the products that they put out on the road or on their signs around the world.
Perfect. Yes, sir.
Yes, we Mimaki need to provide end users with information about accident-free installation and correct media. So this is why this warranty program with 3M is so important to us.
And then at the end of the day, it helps us give us the opportunity to provide that solution and provide the opportunity to expand our reach and to drive more growth in the marketplace together as we continue to move forward. And this is a big step for our partnership to expand out into this printer and ink capabilities to really get after the opportunity for more growth and to better service our customers and our partners around the world.
So thank you for that. And that's a great segue, actually, to my next question. When you're expanding your reach in the partnership, but also helping the industry, what are some of the biggest challenges that you see as leaders in the graphics industry today, and how is 3M and how are Mimaki addressing those alignments? And if you don't mind, we'll start with you, Mr. Ikeda.
Challenging the sign graphics industry is redoing installation due to the color coding and media clocking issues. So I believe it is important to educate our end users to provide the right solution to avoid the problem.
Yeah, so I think from the 3M side, some of the big trends that we're seeing in the industry is, there's a lot of new changes and enhancements into overall regulation. There's a big need for sustainability in the solutions that we offer. As you think about, less VOC on the paint, right? There's need for driving more productivity, speed, performance, with the graphic manufacturers, and that what we'll do together with our films and the inks and the printers. But we've got, brilliant minds in our laboratories and around the world that are working on developing new products that will help address sustainability. We've got a full line of, non-PVC films in our Envision line of solutions. We're launching a new product here in the U.S. and around the world, our PL50, which is a new film that is made up of 47% bio-based materials to help address sustainability. And then you take some of our traditional films, our 280 and our over laminates, and when you marry those together with the printer and the film, we can take out about 22% of PVC, and that really addresses some of the needs that our customers are seeing. So it's a really exciting time for 3M and for Mimaki to really expand and to demonstrate that type of service, quality, consistency, reliability for those customers to address those needs as we go forward.
Thank you for that. And you're right. Service, quality, consistency, reliability is huge, I think, for both companies for sure. You mentioned a little bit about a new product that you're launching globally for this warranty that we have with Mimaki and 3M. Is that something that is going to be only for North America or for the Americas, or is that a global product as well?
Yeah, the new MCS warranty with the new printer and the two inks is actually a global program, so it's available globally around the world. We do have a process that we'll work through with our global manufacturers to make sure that they register those printers, the inks, and the films with 3M. Upon doing that, they will then become certified as an MCS partner, which we will then be able to offer that warranty outbound to our brand owners and customers to provide that service and quality and consistency that those brands expect from both 3M and Mimaki as we continue to move forward, which is very exciting for us. And we believe it'll help us really change the trajectory and growth and to better serve our customers and markets around the world.
Thank you. Mr. Ikeda, we've heard a lot about the breadth of the 3M product line. Thank you, Ryan, for that. But Mimaki has this diverse portfolio as well. And probably the most diverse portfolio within the marketplace, I would assume. And it's not only on the hardware and ink type, but also the capability and the configurations that Mimaki delivers to the marketplace. So it must have been really difficult, I would assume, to narrow down what products are going to use or go for the 3M MCS warranty from a hardware standpoint, from an ink standpoint, et cetera. So can you share with me a little bit about why you chose the JV and JV330 series and also the SS21 and the BS4 inks?
First of all, our SS21 ink has a better weather resistance than all of our competitors' inks. So, and then our JV330 and the JV330, this is a Mimaki flagship model. So that's why we asked MCS warranty the best combination to you.
Thank you. Thank you. So that's all the questions I had, but what I'd like to ask you both to do as we wrap up is really just share a little bit about your knowledge. It's great being able to sit here, learn from you. So if you could share just a little bit about your insights and where the industry's going, where you'd like to see this partnership continue to develop and go, and any other closing remarks that you might have.
We would like to continue to promote the digitization of sign graphics and providing the right solution. So we look forward to working with 3M more deeply.
Yeah, and for 3M, right, we need to ensure that we have very strong strategic partnerships to provide a total end-to-end solution. As we make the media, we need to have those partnerships with Mimaki to make sure that we have the right print, quality, consistency to bring our products to life in the marketplace. And from 3M, we will continue to be focused on driving innovation, bringing new products to market, and continuing to drive rich partnerships around the world to ensure that we can best service our customers.
Thank you so much. Well, thank you everyone for joining our printer side chat. I encourage you to contact your local sales reps, as always, for more information, not only about 3M solutions, but also the Mimaki solutions and the products that both of these leading companies have. And also, if you'd like to learn more specifically about the 3M and Mimaki partnership around the MCS warranties with the JV and JV330 series, the SS21 and the BS4 ink sets, then I'd recommend that you also visit our websites. So I believe the 3M website is mmm.com and the Mimaki website is mimaki.com. Locally here in the US, you can also go to mimakiusa.com. So again, thank you everybody for joining us. Kazuaki-san, thank you so much for joining us. And Ryan, thank you for joining. Thanks, Ken. Appreciate the session and look forward to this partnership going forward.
Thank you very much.